Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. This one's white. Underneath the hood's a 3.6 V6 pushing out 285 horsepower and 260 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 5-spoke 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport badging on the side. Black interior. Soft top does come off. 5th wheel spare on the back here. Trailer hitch. Clean set of all-season floor mats, pull down rear seats. Alpine sound system. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does have smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, heated steering wheel, heated seats, dual climate controls, power windows, 8-speed automatic transmission. This Jeep has 4,987 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Jeep, check out feldmanimports.com.